Hi there, today I'm going to show you ever so quickly how to check estimated ink levels of a HP Photosmart 6520. And this can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. And all we're going to do is press on this ink drop up here. And now we get a visual representation of the estimated ink levels for magenta, cyan, yellow and black. If you're taking a look at this video due to a print quality issue you're having, inks for this machine should never run out prematurely. Any missing colours is more likely to be a print quality issue than the ink having run out. So, I'd recommend checking out our video on how to perform cleans from the printer, so that's more likely to get you up and running in such a case. But that's all there is to see here. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.